Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we need to do a little dirty project, and that is we need to go ahead and band our youngest male lamb because he is going to be used for meat. We don't want him to be breeding with his mama or any other females. We're going to go ahead and band him now. He is 4 weeks old. You don't want to do this past 8 weeks. So we figured 4 weeks is just enough time. It gives him a little bit more time to grow, and he won't be in severe pain that we would need to medicate him prior to doing this. So let me take you to the pump house, show you the tools that we're going to be using, and then let's head down to the barn and get started. All right, so here is my little bag of tricks. This is the bander, and these are the bands that we are using. So how this works is you just go ahead and take this and you put it onto this, and you just kind of pull it down a little bit, about maybe to where those lines are right there. And that way, when you open it up, you just stick the scrotum right inside there, and then you close it back up, and you're able to roll this off without any problems. All right, so these are what we need. Let's head down to the barn and get started. All right, friends, so I've got our little boy here. He is about 4 weeks old. So here we have his sack, and I can feel his testicles right there. So we've got our bander here with our band. You're gonna make sure that the testicles are all the way down. So we're gonna go ahead and take our bander here, and we're gonna just squeeze it open. And we're gonna pop these right into there. You wanna go snug up against the skin. Make sure that you pull it down so that there is both testicles in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and release the band. And make sure it's on there good. And we'll go ahead and pull this off. All right. Everything feels good in there. It's on there nice and tight. And we'll just go ahead and let him go and let him be. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but he'll be all right. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed that video. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.